MongoDB Connector for Spark. The MongoDB Connector for Spark provides a powerful tool for developers and data engineers to leverage the strengths of both technologies. Understanding the MongoDB Spark Connector. The MongoDB Connector for Spark is a library that allows Spark to interact with MongoDB, enabling users to read and write data between the two platforms. How to use MongoDB Connector for Spark. Install MongoDB Spark Connector. Begin by installing the MongoDB Spark Connector library in your Spark environment. Connect to MongoDB. Establish a connection between your Spark application and MongoDB by specifying the connection details, such as the MongoDB server address, database name, and authentication credentials. Read data from MongoDB. Use the MongoDB Spark Connector API to read data from MongoDB collections into Spark data frames or RDDs for processing within your Spark application. Write data to MongoDB. Similarly, you can use the MongoDB Spark Connector API to write processed data from Spark back to MongoDB collections, enabling seamless data transfer between the two platforms. Benefits of MongoDB Spark Connector. Enhanced scalability. The integration of MongoDB with Apache Spark allows for seamless scalability, enabling users to process large datasets with ease. Real-time data processing. By combining MongoDB and Spark, users can perform real-time data analysis and streaming, enabling faster decision-making and insights. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MongoDB Connector for Spark provides a powerful tool for seamless integration between MongoDB and Apache Spark, enabling users to optimize data processing for big data projects.